Well, the big dig has started at Tweed Thistle Farms. Oh, we have been looking forward to this for so long that it doesn't even seem real. But it is real. So I hope you'll like and subscribe to this channel. It does not cost anything to subscribe if you're not familiar with that. You just click on that subscribe button on YouTube and you will be able to follow along as we build this reminiscent of, if not a reproduction of a 1800 style Cape Cod. Reproduction is much more intense with building materials and things like that, and we want this to be our forever home. As we get older, we want low and no maintenance. And so we are using the benefit of 200 years of technology that has happened since those beautiful, simple, elegant lines of a Cape Cod were designed, but using today's products. So that hopefully, perhaps, we are building a legacy that 200 years from now will be standing here at this corner of Mud Lake and Hulbert in Seville. It just doesn't seem possible. We've dreamt of this for so long that to see it actually start, oh, my heart is just beating out of my chest right now. It's a beautiful day in October. The sun is shining. It's crisp. I've asked him, he will be moving the topsoil in one area, and then if there are any large rocks, he will hold those off to the side. So maybe at some point Jim will get his pond and we'll be able to naturalize it with some rocks from our big dig. So again, I hope you'll follow along. I did post some new pictures, or videos rather, from Seville Antiques, from another small area of the shop, and I will be continuing to do so. We have that big Christmas open house on November 19th, and I hope you'll all join us for that really special day there at the antique shop. Take care. Keep watching. Have a wonderful fall day.